I am popping in with some brush care tips and to share one of my favorite tools with you. So here goes. So I need to clean up my makeup brushes, which is a good thing to do each week or as often as you can, and your sponges to get everything washed out of them. So I found this fun little tool at the Dollar Tree. Actually, it has suction cups on it, and I squish it down in there, just put a little warm water. And what's really important is that you use soap without the harsh detergents, because obviously you don't want anything, you want to get them rinsed out well, but you also don't want to have anything on your skin from, or in your makeup from that soap. So of course I use my Labri hand soap. I just use a little bit and swish it around, and this is amazing for dry skin as well as just cleaning your hands. So it's very light, it doesn't have harsh detergents in it, and so I feel safe about using it on my family, but also on my makeup brushes. So what I do is, the reason this is all textured is so that you can just scrub your brushes right onto the little pad, and it's amazing how it even takes off. You see that has a little bit of color, and of course I'm going to rinse them once I'm done too, but it gets that color right out of it. Let me use another one. I have my blush brush here. I want to be gentle for sure, but it does take out the majority of that. It's fun. So I love this little tool, super inexpensive. And then just make sure you give them a really good rinse, and you kind of just squeeze them out in a towel and let them air dry, of course. And the same with your makeup sponge, your blend. This is our blending sponge, and that too I'll work around a little bit in this water because it's dirty as well. And then I'll probably add some clean water and get as much of that foundation out of your blending sponge as you can. These are super inexpensive, and so they can be easily replaced, but it is nice to be able to use them for a while. And there you have it. So I will clean all my brushes with that, but I'm going to do the water so we have some better water. And I just wanted to share a great tip on being able to clean your makeup brushes and your sponge. So if you don't have the Labri hand soap, you could use even the Labri body wash. For people who don't have either of those, I recommend trying them because they're so good for your skin. But you could also use your cleanser. I just wouldn't use a lot of it, of course, but you could use a little bit of your cleanser. They are all safe. So thank you, and hope you had a great day.